Lemongrass is a wonderful herb. It has a fresh, citrusy aroma. This plant is a powerhouse of health benefits. For centuries, people have used lemongrass in traditional medicine. Today, modern science is discovering its amazing properties. Lemongrass is packed with antioxidants. These help protect our bodies from damage. It also has anti-inflammatory effects. This makes it a great natural remedy for many ailments. Let's explore the incredible benefits of lemongrass. You'll see how it can improve your health and well-being. Get ready to unlock the power of this amazing herb. Do you ever experience bloating or indigestion? Lemongrass can be your go-to solution. This herb is known for its soothing effects on the digestive system. Lemongrass helps to stimulate digestion. It does this by increasing saliva production and gastric juice secretion. This aids in the breakdown of food. Lemongrass also has antispasmodic properties. This means it can help relieve stomach cramps and bloating. If you suffer from constipation, lemongrass can provide relief. It acts as a mild diuretic, promoting regular bowel movements. By incorporating lemongrass into your diet, you can experience a happier and healthier gut. In today's world, our bodies are constantly exposed to toxins. These toxins come from the environment and processed foods. Detoxification is essential for maintaining optimal health. Lemongrass can be a valuable ally in this process. The diuretic properties of lemongrass help flush out toxins. It does this by increasing urine output. This cleansing effect helps purify the kidneys and liver. Lemongrass also contains antioxidants. These antioxidants fight free radicals. Free radicals can damage cells and lead to various health problems. By neutralizing these harmful compounds, lemongrass supports overall well-being. Section 4. A heart-healthy herb, lemongrass for cardiovascular wellness. Lemongrass, a fragrant herb commonly used in Asian cuisine, is not just a culinary delight, but also a potent medicinal plant. Maintaining a healthy heart is crucial for a long and vibrant life. Regular exercise and a balanced diet are key components, but incorporating heart-healthy herbs like lemongrass can provide additional support. Lemongrass has been traditionally used to support cardiovascular health. It is often brewed into a soothing tea or used as an essential oil in aromatherapy. Studies now suggest that it may offer significant benefits. Research indicates that lemongrass contains compounds that can positively impact heart health. Lemongrass contains compounds that may help lower cholesterol levels. These compounds work by reducing the absorption of cholesterol in the intestines. High cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease. Elevated levels of LDL cholesterol can lead to plaque buildup in the arteries, increasing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. By reducing bad cholesterol, or LDL, and increasing good cholesterol, or HDL, lemongrass can contribute to a healthier lipid profile. This balance is essential for maintaining cardiovascular health. Lemongrass may also help regulate blood pressure. Consistent blood pressure management is vital for preventing heart-related issues. This is due to its potassium content. Potassium helps to balance the amount of sodium in your cells, which is crucial for heart health. Potassium is an essential mineral that helps counteract the negative effects of sodium. High sodium levels can lead to increased blood pressure, putting strain on the cardiovascular system. By promoting healthy blood pressure, lemongrass can reduce the strain on the heart and blood vessels. This in turn supports overall cardiovascular wellness and contributes to a healthier, more active lifestyle. Section 5. Lemongrass for stress, relief and relaxation. In our fast-paced lives, stress has become an all-too-common companion. Whether it's due to work pressures, personal responsibilities, or the constant hustle and bustle of daily life, stress can take a significant toll on our well-being. Finding healthy ways to manage stress is crucial for our mental and physical health. Practices like meditation, yoga, and mindfulness can be incredibly beneficial, but sometimes we need an extra boost to help us unwind. Lemongrass offers a natural and effective solution. This versatile herb, known for its fresh, citrusy scent, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to alleviate stress and anxiety. The calming aroma of lemongrass has long been used in aromatherapy. When diffused, its scent can create a peaceful atmosphere, making it easier to relax and let go of the day's worries. It is believed to have soothing effects on the nervous system. Inhaling the aroma of lemongrass essential oil can help to calm the mind, reduce feelings of anxiety, and promote a sense of well-being. Studies have shown that inhaling lemongrass essential oil can reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. Researchers have found that its compounds interact with the brain's neurotransmitters, helping to ease stress and improve mood. Lemongrass tea is another excellent way to unwind after a long day. The act of brewing and sipping this warm beverage can be a soothing ritual in itself, providing a moment of calm in a hectic day. The warm beverage, infused with the calming properties of lemongrass, can help ease tension and promote a sense of tranquility. Drinking lemongrass tea not only hydrates, but also delivers the herb's stress-relieving benefits directly to your body, helping you to relax and unwind. Section 6, a radiant skin with lemongrass. Beauty benefits. Lemongrass is not only beneficial for our health, but also for our skin. This versatile herb possesses properties that can enhance skin health and address various skin concerns. Lemongrass has astringent properties. These help to tighten pores and reduce excess oil production. This makes it an excellent natural remedy for oily and acne-prone skin. Its antimicrobial properties further aid in fighting acne-causing bacteria. Lemongrass also contains antioxidants. These antioxidants protect the skin from environmental damage. This can help prevent premature aging, keeping your skin looking youthful and radiant. Section 7. Embrace the versatility of lemongrass, a truly remarkable and multifaceted herb. Lemongrass is an incredibly versatile herb that can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. Its unique flavor and numerous health benefits make it a must-have in any household. Here are some practical and creative ways to enjoy its amazing benefits. Whether you're looking to enhance your culinary creations or improve your well-being. Lemongrass tea. Simply steep a few stalks of fresh or dried lemongrass in hot water for a refreshing and healthy beverage. This tea is not only delicious, but also helps in digestion and detoxification. Essential oil diffusion. Add a few drops of lemongrass essential oil to a diffuser to create a calming and uplifting atmosphere in your home. The aroma can help reduce stress and improve mental clarity. Culinary uses. Lemongrass adds a unique citrusy flavor to soups, curries, stir-fries, and marinades. It's a staple in many Asian cuisines and can elevate the taste of your dishes. Soothing baths. Add a few drops of lemongrass essential oil or a handful of fresh lemongrass to your bath water for a relaxing and aromatic experience. This can help soothe sore muscles and rejuvenate your skin. From promoting digestion and detoxification to enhancing skin health and relieving stress, lemongrass offers a wide range of benefits. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties make it a powerful addition to your wellness routine. Embrace the power of this natural wonder and unlock a healthier and happier you. Incorporate lemongrass into your life and experience its transformative effects.